Hey, what's up guys? This is a short review on the Ultimaxx DJI Phantom 2 and 3 drone backpack. Pause the video now so you can read the specs, otherwise video to follow of it in person. It's not a bad backpack for the price, $30 you really can't beat. You do have to take the propellers off, which is fine. It comes with the two shoulder straps. There's pockets on the front, pockets on the side, and a pocket on the inside. The foam is pre-cut. However, I did have to cut a bit for the remote. I have the device mount on it, so it makes it a little bit bigger, but it's overall decent, good price. The shoulder straps were a bit small. I'm a smaller person, and I still had to have it fully extended out. But for $30, can't really beat it.